3-Minute Flicks. Entertaining, educating, and enlightening.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss. More and more people are making the switch to solar energy, and for good reason. But as with any significant decision, there are both pros and cons to consider. In this video, we'll break down why people are switching to home solar systems, the benefits they offer, and some of the lesser-known drawbacks you should be aware of. So, why are people flocking solar energy for their homes? Well, there are several compelling reasons. First and foremost, solar energy can save you a significant amount of money on your electricity bills. By generating your own power, you can reduce or even eliminate your reliance on your local utility company, helping you to lower your monthly expenses. Solar power is also an environmentally friendly option. It reduces your carbon footprint and helps combat climate change by producing clean, renewable energy. Solar panels harness the energy from the sun, which is an abundant and sustainable source. With solar panels, you become less dependent on the grid. This means you're less affected by power outages and fluctuations, which is especially valuable in regions prone to extreme weather events. Now, let's dive deeper into the benefits of installing a home solar system. Many governments and local authorities offer tax incentives and rebates to encourage the adoption of solar energy. These financial perks can significantly reduce the initial cost of installation. Solar panels can enhance the value of your property. When it comes time to sell, having a solar system can make your home more appealing to potential buyers and potentially increase its resale value. Solar power provides a degree of energy security. With the right setup, you can store excess energy in batteries, ensuring a continuous power supply even during blackouts. Solar panels require very little maintenance. Generally, they're designed to be durable and can last for several decades with minimal upkeep. Now, let's talk about some drawbacks that people may not be aware of when it comes to home solar systems. One of the most significant drawbacks is the upfront cost of installation. While there are incentives and rebates available, the initial investment can still be substantial. It may take several years to recoup your investment through energy savings. Solar panels rely on sunlight, so their performance is weather dependent. Cloudy or rainy days can lead to reduced energy production, which may require additional planning or investment in energy storage solutions. Solar panels require adequate roof space or land for installation. Not all homes are suitable for solar panels, and shading issues or limited space can be a barrier for some. Solar panels may not be aesthetically pleasing to everyone. Some homeowners may find them unattractive or feel they clash with their property's design. In conclusion, home solar systems offer numerous benefits, including cost savings, environmental benefits, and energy independence. It's important to weigh these pros and cons carefully before making a decision. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding the ins and outs of home solar systems. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
3-Minute Flicks. Don't forget to subscribe.